Hi, my name is Patricia, and in each short video, I break down one business analysis technique at a time in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Have you ever been in a meeting where everyone's talking about the same thing, but somehow means something completely different? That's how misunderstandings slip in, how work gets duplicated, and how errors creep into a project without anyone noticing. That's where a glossary comes in, your shared dictionary for the project. It keeps everyone speaking the same language from day one, aligning terminology and removing confusion before it spreads. Today, we're exploring Glossary. This technique ensures clear communication, consistent understanding, and fewer surprises later on. Let's talk about how it works. Why does a glossary matter? First, it clarifies key terms and jargon. Every project comes with its own language, and without a shared understanding, people interpret things differently. Second, it prevents miscommunication. When terms are vague or ambiguous, requirements get misread, and that leads to costly rework. And third, it aligns stakeholders across teams. From developers to business users, everyone refers to the same definition, keeping the project consistent, efficient, and far less prone to misunderstandings. Why does a glossary work? It creates a single central reference point that anyone can check. No more guessing what someone actually means. By standardizing definitions, it reduces communication errors and prevents delays caused by mixed interpretations. And here's a bonus. It's incredibly useful for onboarding new team members. They can get up to speed on the project's language fast without endless one-on-one explanations. Why does a glossary work? It creates a single central reference point that anyone can check. No more guessing what someone actually means. By standardizing definitions, it reduces communication errors and prevents delays caused by mixed interpretations. And here's a bonus. It's incredibly useful for onboarding new team members. They can get up to speed on the project's language quickly without endless one-on-one explanations. How do you apply a glossary? Step 1. Identify key terms, acronyms, industry language, and internal jargon. Step 2. Define each term clearly. Keep definitions concise but precise so anyone can understand them. Step 3. Share it in a central place. A wiki, project portal, or shared document works perfectly. And most importantly, keep it living. Update it anytime a new term appears. Here's what a glossary looks like in action. Imagine you're working on a software project. You identify key terms like API, stakeholder, and MVP. For each one, you write a clear, simple definition. For example, an API is an application programming interface. It allows different software systems to communicate. A stakeholder is anyone affected by the project, from internal team members to external clients. And MVP stands for Minimum Viable Product, the first usable version of a product. You might also add a notes column for extra context or clarification. This format keeps definitions concise, consistent, and easy to understand. Anyone new joining the project can get up to speed instantly, and the whole team stays aligned on terminology. Here are a few pro tips. Keep definitions simple and consistent. Avoid anything ambiguous or open to interpretation. Update it regularly, because a stale glossary is almost worse than having none at all. And link it to your other project documents so it becomes a true single source of truth across your whole project ecosystem. To wrap up, a glossary isn't just a dictionary. It's a tool to keep everyone on the same page, reduce miscommunication, and speed up collaboration. Next up, we're diving into benchmarking and market analysis, where you'll learn how to compare, analyze, and learn from the market to make smarter decisions. See you then.